How to pay your mortgage early without getting a second job. That's a good reason to watch this video to the end, because we're going to talk about this. And we're going to talk about money and the economy and just life in general right now. It's the beginning of the year in 2026, and I know a lot of us have some new goals, some new dreams, new things we want to accomplish. I think a lot of people out there are feeling the squeeze of high costs. Things at the grocery store are expensive. It used to take $100 for a full shopping cart full of food, and now it takes $100 for one bag full of food. And so life is just tough for a lot of people. I've been in business for over 40 years. I've had the luxury of building 8-figure business and another multi 7-figure business, but it wasn't always like that. In 1997, I had filed a bankruptcy. My father had just passed away, and my family was at the funeral home making arrangements while I was sitting at the table calling credit card companies and arranging for a bankruptcy. It took several years from there to turn things around, but things really started changing for me in 2006, 7, 8, and found a way to provide a lot of value to people and sell, to the masses, and that was definitely exciting. The businesses I've created so far have been offline businesses, and now I'm working on some online stuff. I've made some money online over the years. I've hit 20,000 a month with a couple of opportunities that I was working with, and unfortunately, some of those didn't last the long term. But I'm on track again to build a pretty significant online income. Still have some of the offline income streams going on. And I can just tell you this, you're not going to pay your mortgage off fast with a job or even a second job. You need to be making some chunks of money. You need to have multiple streams of income. And high ticket sales is where it really is. And so I'm actually working with a couple of mentors that have made millions of dollars online. And my thought is, if you want to, say you want to make chocolate chip cookies, if you want to make them come out a certain way, find a good recipe, follow it, and you'll get that result. And so that's what I'm doing. Have a couple of cool guys helping me along with this, and we're gonna be sharing this information. And so I'd like to invite you to follow me, subscribe to the videos. I went from the bankruptcy and from selling insurance and doing some financial planning to renting a restaurant and a bar. And I rented the restaurant with a $300 check that I wrote on Monday, and I asked the guy who owned the bar to hold it until Friday. And we actually rented the kitchen in the bar, and we turned that kitchen into a 7-figure and then eventually 8-figure food business, which didn't happen overnight. I think that deal took about 5 years to become an overnight success, but it was really awesome when it kicked off, and having that kind of an income coming in enabled us to do some exciting things. You can do the same thing with some online income. I love affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, because all we have to do is refer people, and then the owner of the product takes care of the rest. Right now I'm working with a guy named Philip Johansen, and I believe he made $27 million last year. He has a great ecosystem. He has a great training program in place, and you can find a link in the description of this video that will take you there. When you start bringing in these chunks of money, then here's the trick to paying the mortgage off fast. You pay the mortgage off in chunks, because if you think about it, when you take out a mortgage, let's just use a $100,000 house for simple math, and let's just say that you're paying $800 a month is your payment. Well, those first payments, about $700 of that $800 is going to go to interest, and the other $100 is going to go to principal. That means within a year, you only take the balance of that loan down by $100 a month, about $1,200. So at the end of the first year, on your $100,000 mortgage, you still owe, what, $98,800? because only 1,200 got paid off. So if you could take $4,000 or $5,000 and pay it towards the principal on that loan, say after the first year, you've just eliminated 5 years of a mortgage. So if you have a 30-year mortgage, you just immediately took it down to 25 years, probably even less than that, because the interest is going to get lower every time you pay that principal down. And so you want to learn how to make other sources of income come in besides a job. And a little secret, if you're going to trade time for money, it's probably not going to happen, because there's only so many hours in a day. We all have 24 hours. You have to learn how to make money while you sleep. You have to learn how to have automatic money coming in and some kind of a system that makes it happen. I think it's Warren Buffett that says, if you don't make money while you sleep, you'll never be retired, and you'll never be comfortable, and you'll never be wealthy. So I invite you to follow me. I'm going to be posting several videos here about paying off your mortgage fast, how to take care of your kids' hobbies and stuff. And we're going to talk about how to do this stuff without getting a job. Also, I think one of the hottest opportunities right now going on is school. And I do have a free community on school. It's called the Cashflow Association. Invite you to join that. I'll stick a link in the description for that as well. But follow that link in the description and pop into that website that it'll take you to. Put your name and email address in there. And there's some free training from Philip Johansen on how to basically use AI to build a business. I don't know if you're using AI yet, but if you're not, and you do any kind of work that involves writing or the creative work or anything, or even if you have to go through legal contracts and things, AI is amazing. And so when you start following me, you join my ecosystem and my world, you're going to learn about AI, you're going to learn about a lot of cool things. So appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I know it's a little scattered. Sometimes my ADHD comes into play. I actually don't know if I have ADHD, but I think we all might have a little bit of it. So thanks for watching. It's a nice snowy day here in Colorado, so I'm going to go out and enjoy the scenery for a while. And I hope you have a wonderful day too.